Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showcasing my tractors that I customized today. These are now junk tractors, including this one, this one, this one, and these are the tractors that I customized. Ended up leaving this one over here stock. To this one I added wheels and tires. To this one I added duals. To this one I also added duals. And to this one I added a front weight. These tractors right here are pretty nice looking, I would say. And also, I got a new shop just for my farm. It has a removable roof. I'm gonna go ahead and take off one of the pieces. There we go. And also, this is just one of the nicest shops that I've seen out there. It's a little bit broken on the side, so it's got hot glue there, but it's not very noticeable, so it's fine. It's also got doors. You can't really see them, but it's between the tractor and the shop there.